When you chat with Claude, something almost magical happens. It writes back like a real person. How? The answer is a thing called an LLM, a large language model. In the next 3 minutes, you will understand what those 3 letters mean, how the model actually replies, and the one limit worth keeping in mind. Let us break the name apart. Large means it was trained on an enormous amount of text, books, articles, websites, conversations, more reading than any human could finish in 1,000 lifetimes. Language model means it learned how our language fits together, which words tend to follow which, how a question leads to an answer. So, an LLM is, at heart, the most well-read autocomplete on the planet. It learned the patterns of language so it can produce language. But how does it actually write a sentence? Here is the surprising part. It works one word at a time. You give it a few words, it predicts the most likely next word. Then it looks at everything so far and predicts the next and the next. Word by word, a full reply takes shape. It feels like thinking. Underneath, it is a very, very good prediction running again and again. Think of the keyboard on your phone. As you type, it suggests the next word. An LLM plays the very same game, only scaled up to an enormous size, with a far deeper sense of meaning and context. So, why does it feel so smart? Because it has seen so many patterns, it can do remarkable things. It can explain a hard topic, summarize a long report, translate a language, or help you write. All from that one skill, predicting what fits best. Give it a messy paragraph and it hands back a tidy summary. Give it a clunky email and it drafts a polite reply. But hold on to one important idea. An LLM is predicting language, not looking up facts in a database. It is usually right because the patterns are strong, yet it can sound confident and still be wrong. So it is a powerful helper and you stay the final check. So in short, an LLM is an AI trained on a huge amount of text. It learned how language fits together and it writes by predicting the next word again and again. That is the engine inside Claude. Next up, we will zoom out and see how AI actually learns in the first place. If this made large language models click subscribe, we are making all of AI this simple.